Good afternoon, Christine Fluke, Urbanized Properties, Commercial Real Estate in Florida. I am here January 2023 in a fantastic area in South Florida called Pompano Beach. I get the opportunity to be one block from the beach. You can see it right behind me there. We are in an area that is surrounded by residential condos, apartments, as well as single-family homes, new construction. So my quick tip of the day is network. I've said this so many times before, but because I have the opportunity and the relationships that I've had for all these years, I get to call people that I know and say, hey, you got something coming soon. I have a client that's looking for X, and do you have anything that matches? So I am here in this pocket, being able to show a coming soon property. That's one of the things that here at Urbanized Properties, we get the privilege to do with our clients. So we're here in the area looking at a $9 million asset, and let's see what's gonna happen. Stay tuned.